Hi everyone, I'm Mary Magellan, and this video is to give you a quick overview on what Microsoft Teams is and the 5 key features. If you're new to Teams, this is a must watch, and stay tuned until the end where I give away an insider shortcut key. So what is Microsoft Teams? Well, it's a chat-based communication tool that allows us to collaborate virtually. And you can access it through either Office 365, your desktop app, or your mobile phone or tablet. The first core feature of Teams is chat. In chats, I can have one-on-one conversations with my colleagues. This is a great place to greet folks in the morning, check in with them throughout the day. If you're a manager working with direct reports, it's also a great way to manage your conversations that way. You have what's called a persistent chat, which means all of your conversations are saved so you can return to them at a later time. The second core feature of Teams is project collaboration, and you'll get to that by clicking on the Teams view. Over in my Teams view, you'll see I've set up 3 different teams, one for my clients, one called the Coolest Dopest Trainers, and my Huck and Magellan Consulting team. So what I do is I create a team, I invite members that are part of that project or department or team, and then we collaborate by doing things such as having group discussions, which you can see are happening under the Posts tab. I can go to the Files tab and I can share documents so that we can all collaborate and edit them together. And you'll notice other tabs across the top of your Teams allow you to enhance your collaboration by taking notes, hosting meetings, and having shared task plans as well. The third feature of Teams are meetings. When I click on the calendar view, you're going to see anything that I have set up in Outlook is going to immediately show up in my Teams calendar, and vice versa. If I go over to the upper right hand corner, I can create meetings directly from Teams. So actually I find that I'm using Outlook so much less now because of the integration between the two. I can do a lot of things in Teams now that I used to have to go into Outlook to do. The fourth key feature of Teams is file sharing, and I'll click on the Files view, and you'll immediately see the recent files that I've been sharing either in one-on-one conversations or within my project collaborations in Teams. Additionally, you'll see I have access to my OneDrive, which is my personal work storage system. So I can quickly access any files and folders that either are mine and mine alone or that I've decided to share with some of my colleagues. And finally, the fifth core feature of Teams is integration across many other applications. You'll notice if I click in one of my existing teams, there are these plus signs across the top of my team. And when I click on that plus sign to add an additional tab, I can integrate further applications to enhance the way I'm engaging with my colleagues. So I could bring in, for example, a SharePoint library to share more documentation with folks. Or if I want to host a poll and get some responses from some of my colleagues, I can look for a third-party application called Polly and integrate that within my team. And one last quick shortcut key, since everybody loves shortcut keys, when you're in Teams, if I hit the shortcut key Control period, it automatically brings up all of the keyboard shortcuts for Teams. So I hope you enjoy, take care, and stay tuned for future videos.